Hello Leo, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money reading weekly from 14 to 20th September. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you. Mars is going, retrograde from 9th to 13th November, 9th September to 13th November, quite a long time. So, there is going to be delays, there is going to be confusion. Things which were gaining momentum or you thought would gain momentum would go slow, would become slow or halt. So do not get frustrated. This is just a piece of kind of word that I wanted to put across. Already Saturn and Jupiter in retrograde, further adding to the misery. But let's hope better things, and let's see, Leo, what's there for you this week. Nine of Cups, great, along with options. So there is you want to be achieving, you want this fulfilling energy, you are looking at lot of options here. This is Cups energy. So this is like basically you maybe lot of ideas going inside your mind which you want to work to, this could be in a business situation, association, even in job situation. You could be looking at different options where you could apply online or so this is like looking at various options for this fulfillment. You want this emotional fulfillment, you want to be happy, and right now it seems that you are trying to figure out things this week for this situation. Nine of Cup situation, this is like happiness, overall happiness. So looking at options and looking at here, I wouldn't see this card as confusion, because both the energies are balanced, Cups and Cups energy, so they do not have conflicting elements here. So it's like basically some of you could be actually having options in job, in partnership, in association, and people would want to collaborate with you or work with you. So that is making you feeling happy. You could have lunches together, business, mixing business with pleasure, traveling, and traveling for work, and you could mix pleasure and business together. People would just look at you for advice. They would because they see you really working hard and very focused. This is what I get, Leo. Now let us see what else for Leo here. With this card, I just forgot, some of you might be buying a vehicle or a luxurious item which will give you this happiness. You will flaunt it, you will be happy, you'll going to a party with this, it will be a kind of a status symbol which I feel here, or an expensive jewelry, or something which is luxurious, which is expensive, and you are proud to own it. The other card that I get is the Ten of Swords along with Two of Cups. So some of you who are going through this, I have seen the Leos and I do remember these energies right from last month and before. Some of you are really going through tough situation, but this is the end of the cycle. Ten of Swords, this is the end of the suffering. This is the last phase that you are going off your suffering. There is someone coming to you with a new job, there is, or an interview which will be a success, which will bring you success, a new collaboration, partnership. This talks about so everything, this cycle is ending with somebody helping you, somebody offering you support here regarding your situation, the job situation, money situation, partnership, association. This is what I get here. So your it's an end to that suffering cycle, and you will be coming out in the coming weeks. You will be coming out with the Two of Cups energy, like your overall balance, happiness, success. This is what it says in this reading. Leos, I just wanted to say that because I get to see comments in which there are and of course it's a genuine comment that things are showing positive but not happening to some of you. See, energy is constantly flowing. It always flows. So if it's not happening today, it will happen in your future. But you need to be having faith. You need to be positive, because positivity will attract positive things in your life. If you are always thinking about, oh, nothing is happening, nothing, so that is the energy you are passing on to the universe. So what will happen is that nothing will work for you. So that positive attitude is a must. Having faith, let the universe do, or let the divine take control of the situation. You just need to do your work and have faith that things are going to work out, and it will work out for you. Maybe a little later, maybe a little, because not all of us are born on the same day, same time. It's around a 20-25 days gap between two signs. So this energy will flow. For some of you, it might have happened recently, or for some of you it will happen in the coming weeks. Do not get disappointed. This is what I want to say. Let us see the next card. 10 of Wands. Okay, the Hermit. So there is a lot of burden that there you are in. Some of you are in an overburdening situation. There could be expenses related to this. What I feel, you might be burdened by ill health, by taking family issues could be there. This also talks about 10 of, it is a completion. This is the max burden you could carry. So it is like delegate your work, delegate your burden to people. If it is taking care of family, even in your job situation, you could be burdened with lot of work. You could be feeling so tired, low energy, you don't know how to move forward. So if it's a job situation, you need to delegate your work, and also practicing yoga, meditation, or some form of spiritual seeking will help you move from this situation. That's why we get this Virgo card. Maybe a Virgo person will be of your help, can help you with this advice to unburden this situation here. But again, this is like either after this you are going to just move away, throw this burden away and move, or delegate your burden, and balance will return to your life. So this is again calling you to seek within, the answers within. You need an awakening. There will be an awakening. You will step back and think, why is this situation so much burdening? What is happening? So you could find your answers within. You might get an enlightenment. You might you might get the answers that you are looking for outside within yourself. So this is like step back and just try to see things with a different perspective here. You will get the answers for coming out of this situation. You will get these answers. Also, both the cards coming together is like some of you feeling lonely and feeling really low. That is what solitude, being in solitude, being away from gatherings, not attending family get-togethers. Yeah, like keeping yourself away from people, it could be for some of you here. Okay, let's see what else for Leo. Ace of Pentacles, great. Coming with the Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords, it's like, this is Ace of Pentacles. It's about a new beginning. It's a new there is like certain situation. That's what I was telling you. 10 of Wands, 8 of Swords. There is a lot of thinking in your head, overthinking in your head regarding a money situation, regarding a resource that you want, for your business, for your job situation, for your career. So you are looking for maybe some resource here, or for you want some money to start off a business. So maybe this week you will get a divine help. Somebody is gonna come forward and help you with, or suddenly you will receive some money here. So this, you have been overthinking of this situation. It showed 8 of which is a self-limiting energy. You are limiting yourself that things might not, you have a lot of doubts, and so this is like, come out of this energy, be bold, be courageous, face your fears. There is a helping hand, there is a resource coming to you which will ease out your, you can start your life with this. And it is a divine blessing, like somebody reaching out to you, or when you coming out of the energy, somebody is gonna reach you out with help that will help you start your business, start your job. It could be a job, somebody could recommend you for a job situation. This is what I get here. one more just card and then we'll just finish it off. Page of Wands and the Empress here. So this Page of Wands first I got, so it's like some of you are having there is a change coming. See, there is a small enterprise, some of you have started a small business, or you just started a small job, so you have just planted the seeds, like you have just joined. It's just a very new fresh beginning, just immediately done. Or you will be doing it in this week, but this, you are very passionate and focused about this project. Something new beginnings is coming for you here. It could be a revitality in your thought. You could be feeling great, you could be re-energized, that could also, it could be about mind, it could be about your material world, it could be about your environment change. So here it talks that this will make you fulfilling, this will take you into a happy energy in growth, expansion, money situation, the Empress card. So if you are working, some of you who are trying to work out on this new situation here, enterprise, definitely it's going to show lot of growth, lot of promise, and it's going to take you in that Empress zone. So this is it, Leo. I'll just pull out one angel guidance card for you. Okay, Archangel Gabriel, messenger of creativity and hope. So she's the goddess, this angel is a goddess of creativity. So she, you need creative ideas, new out of the box ideas to be successful, and be hopeful. This is what the card is saying, Leo. So all the best. This week looks great. Thanks for taking out your time and watching the video, and do subscribe to my channel if you like my readings. Thank you.